confidence that you're already approved. Parents, we make it easy. The first FDA-approved medication for acne, Tremfya, can help adults with moderate to severe plaque psoriasis uncover clearer skin that can last. Most patients who saw 90% clear skin at 28 weeks stayed clear through 48 weeks. In another study, the majority of Tremfya patients saw 90% clear skin in 3 years.
Serious allergic reactions in our Tremfya may increase your risk of infections and lower your ability to fight them. Tell your doctor if you have an infection or symptoms, or if you have a vaccine or plan to.